Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I am so sorry. I am back after a long time. Actually, I've recorded a lot of videos, so I'm just sharing the videos that I've already recorded. But today I actually came in just to announce the giveaway, and I'm so sorry it's been so long. And the last giveaway I did, I had showed you guys this elf brush set, the 12 piece, is it 11 piece, 12 piece? Yeah, 11 makeup brushes and a brush bag, this set, and this mascara. This was my giveaway, and actually the person that who won this, I think it was Kathy Brown. She never contacted me at all, so I thought that I would as well go ahead and give this to somebody who will enjoy it. So since I didn't get any response from that winner, this I'm going to give it, I'm selecting a different winner for this. So the winner for this is going to be one of my subscribers, and it is Kitty Cat. So the winner for this is going to be Kitty Cat. I'm going to put the somewhere on the screen. I'll put her ID somewhere on the screen. So please contact me at happiness lifestyle@gmail.com. Send me your address and I will ship this to you. So this is going to Kitty Cat. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. Now another giveaway that I had announced after that was this one, the two lipsticks. One was the White Beauty lipstick, and the White Beauty is the red lipstick, I think gazpacho set, and this Kat Von D lipstick in, what was this one, Lovesick, I think, no, Lovecraft. So these are the two, and this is going to be going to one of my other subscriber who also comments on my videos a lot, and that is Yum Yum. So I know I have selected names like that, Kitty Cat. I've selected names like Kitty Cat, Yum Yum. So Yum Yum, if you're watching, this lipstick set is going to go to you. So basically you're getting one lipstick, lip liner, and another lipstick. So this goes to Yum Yum. I'm going to put her ID somewhere here. I don't know if it's her or him sometimes because of the ID's names been like that. So I'm not sure, but whoever it is, contact me and I will send this to you guys. So this is, the winner is Yum Yum, and this one, the winner of course did not contact me. So this is going to go to Kitty Cat. So please contact me, happiness lifestyle@gmail.com, and I'll send you both this. So thank you so much guys, and keep enjoying my videos. And I have recorded few try on videos, so I'm going to be uploading them soon. And so until my next video, bye guys, take care, bye.